Welcome back to my channel. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Are you ready? Let's go. We are going to create NFT with our smartphone. We are going to create monkey, ape, and a lot of different type of NFT using our smartphone. NFT metaverse, all with your smartphone. So let's see what we are going to achieve at the end of this video. You should be able to create what I am about to show you. If you have any challenge, please drop your tutorial. Will be using PicArt to design or create our own NFT. Alright, by now we should know the meaning of NFT. So we are going to design straight. You click on pick a canvas. So we are going to pick this default canvas, okay, or you click here and give it a measurement of your choice. So you can say 620, 620, it is good. Okay, you click here to save it. Alright, so you click on save, saved to gallery. So now we are click on done. After saving, then you go back and open it. Now we can now work on this canvas, on this background, okay, if we want our background to be white. All right, so what to be using mostly on this tutorial is the sticker. Here is the sticker. You click on the sticker and search for, you can say monkey NFT monkey NFT. Alright, so we are going to see a lot of NFT here. So we are going to modify all this existing NFT. Okay. Alright, we are going to click on this first one.
Welcome to my channel. Please, if this is your first time, kindly subscribe, give the videos thumb up and comment what you learned from the video. Thank you.
You tick good. We go back to our sticker and search for hat. You can search for hat. Meanwhile, we are using a free version of PicArt. So there are so many hats here, but you cannot use all because it's free mode. Let's assume you want this one. Okay. Let me bring this one, the first one down. Let me bring the first one down. Okay. This is what we have. Okay, time to put another sticker. You put glasses. You search for glasses. Search for glasses. You can go for this glasses here. I'll reduce it. You have to reduce it. Okay. Now we search for clothes. We're going to search for clothes or say shirt. Shirt. Let's look for a choice of your choice. You can go by this, but don't forget this is premium, so we are going to drag it in a way that the premium, this shape will not show. So here it is. Now we need to add, let's say cigarette. You search for cigarette. I've searched it before. Say cigarette. You click cigarette. We are going to blend it. Blend to multiply. Blend to lighten. Blend to multiply or darken. Blend to multiply is better. Okay, you reduce it. Alright, so this is what we have. Opacity can go down a little bit. Okay, so this is how to design your own NFT, modify it, and send it to Opensea website or app where it will be traded, okay, or melted, then you trade it for a token. All right, so this is how it is done using your smartphone. So PicArt or Canva can be used to create a lot of NFT collection which you can use to make a lot of money online. So there are so many ways you can make money online as a graphic designer. Okay, so this is one of the way. So in my next video I will also explain more about NFT and how we can make it and how we are going to trade it and make some money from it. It is my wife's birthday. Happy birthday to my love. Happy birthday to the love of my life. Wish you long life and prosperity. Thank you for coming to my life. I wish you the best. Thank you for watching.